Draco on the beat with the Draco on me.
Yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah. They like, where he at? He ain't never left. Back in they face like bad, bro. Hey, they know what they did when I step in it, bitch. If a nigga move wrong, get left in it, bitch. We ain't going for shit, man. I know that I'm rich, but I still a pop out all black with a big gate. Grab that Drake with the beam on the face when I up thought the way she was trying to get away, but the Drake on the chase can't outrun the K. I'ma bake him a cake like anime. Since a young nigga retarded and shit, to my mama gun, they got the spark in that bitch. Had 100 bun, 100 round drums, and 100 guns like a terrorist. Too easy with the old chop hit, they fiendin'. Don't call me Chop Dip Beezy. This a new nigga, but the same killer still a game member, but my name bigger. Say Chop ain't good in the hood, but I'm deep in the streets with a G23. Till the ops come meet, make them use they feet, rerun shit down till they hit concrete. Nigga, rap cap who I speak on facts, I ain't never had to cap on wax. Would've been said who I sent up, but nigga, I ain't no rat. Yo, homie a peon, he in the switch. I know me some niggas that worse than Hiller. He wave the white flag, we still gon' kill him on God, nigga. Yeah. This Drake go and leave the case closed. Wanna be a killer, we make those. If he a rat, we hate those. If he a snake, get back those. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Roll him in GG4, but bro be cracking foes. But let me switch the flow. Got a beam in the scope, my clip like a rope. When I shoot, don't choke this shit for sure. Better pick your bro up, sit like throw up. Yeah. Walking this bitch and I'm pistol and packing. These steps up to me, then it's not going back. We shoot shit for real, we fight from an actor. When we on the drill, we score like the Raptors. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Roll him in GG4, but bro be cracking foes. But let me out that car. Let me out that car, nigga. Let me out the car. Let me out that car, nigga.
আমায় এত জ্বালা দিলি বন্ধু রে বন্ধু, প্রাণে নাই আর নিদয়া রে ভালোবাসলে এমনই তো নিদয়া রে ভালোবাসলে এমনই তো ফুল ফুটিলে গাছের সুন্দর চিড়িলে সেই ফুলের কলি কণিকে শুকায় ফুল ফুটিলে গাছের সুন্দর চিড়িলে সেই ফুলের কলি কণিকে শুকায় নারীর যৌবন